Excipient World is the only US event focused on the business, science, quality, and safe use for excipients. Exhibitors have ample time to dedicate exhibit hall hours to meet with attendees at their booth and many networking opportunities to meet with customers and new prospects.
You know, the biggest takeaway for us is the intimacy of the connections with the customers and the suppliers. You know, I think we're all craving that, and I ask myself, why are we getting these intimate connections? And I think it has to do with the workshops, the fact that the attendees are coming here, gaining value out of the regulatory and the industry workshops. That to me draws a lot of the people here that we want to make contact with. So the connections they're strong and they're intimate, and for that I think it's a great show.
Excipient World delivers quality buyers and influencers that are there to learn about and source excipient and services. Exhibitors can engage with the leading pharmaceutical, biologic, veterinary medicine, and consumer healthcare products manufacturers including Pfizer, Johnson & Johnson, Merck, Biogen, Amgen, Bausch, P&G, Perico, Clorox, Eli Lilly, Henkel, and many more, and meet one-on-one with buyers in private meeting rooms.
Well, we see that the folks that are at the show are either key decision makers or key influencers. And I really appreciate the show because I've had the time to actually have a nice, thorough conversation with each of the guests. People are taking their time. It's a very small boutique venue which provides for more of an intimate conversation and relationship building.
Secure your booth space today and receive year-round marketing and an opportunity to meet face-to-face with excipient user manufacturers at Excipient World 2020. May 11 through 13 at the Gaylord Palms Resorts and Convention Center.